Here. Look at the camera. It's on. Here, let me wipe it. It's a camera. Look at it. Say cheese.
Hey, what's up, guys? It's Tyler Mills, driver of the 1008 M&M Motorsports Class 10, and this is our 2021 Rage at the River recap video. Back in 2020, we ran the Mint 400, and you know, it didn't quite go our way. We were running pretty good. The car was working better than ever. Went 60 miles. Ended up losing a motor. After that, kind of with everything going on, we just took a step back, focused on our UTV a little bit more. We ended up getting a motor from Redline. Those dudes are awesome. They take care of you there. We sat on it for a little bit. We had it. Didn't really do too much, and you know, fast forward, we wanted to race Rage at the River. You know, it's just 3 wide every 15 seconds straight into the moon bumps. Like, where else are you gonna get that? 2 other 10 cars are right here. It's awesome. I'm gonna run the 10 car there, single seat. My usual co-driver Johnny, he is gonna run our UTV with my brother. Yeah, we didn't do too much prep, to be honest. The car kind of just sat from how we ran 60 miles at the Mint. And we pulled it out, put the motor in, put some nitrogen in the shocks, got a new radiator cap, and that was about it. Testing just out by our house in Gila Bend, and the car felt awesome. You know, I hadn't driven it in almost 2 years. Going from the UTV to that was a little different, just from 4-wheel drive to 2-wheel drive, but you can sure put that Class 10 through a lot more, I can tell you that. And I knew, like, with the moon bumps and the cross grain at Rage at the River, it was gonna be fun. It was gonna be real fun.
Trouble's knocking at your door. Remember, my friend, it's a town we're fighting for.
We're there at Tech. It's freezing, it's cold, it's windy. The time difference, so the sun goes down at like 4:30 there.
Get it over with. We're a little sick, you see.
But we get the cars all through Tech, go back to the pit, get everything ready for the next day. The UTVs race first, so Johnny and my brother, they're getting ready. Johnny Pauling, he was going to drive the first day, and my brother Scott Mills, he was going to ride. They were running pretty good. They were passing a lot of people. It was awesome. It was awesome to see.
Welcome to the
Go straight.
Take a deep breath. Woo! Take the higher road. That's what they always say. As if they know the way. They won't take it from me.
Big rock.
Don't ever doubt yourself, 'cause life is just a dream. You make your own, so kick and scream.
Coming down on the second road crossing, downhill, clips the blade mark, hits, and they go for a ride.
You okay, Johnny?
Yeah, I'm good.
Held up. They were fine. Just some bumps and bruises. Scott got a black eye, but glad that they were safe. That's the main thing.
but flames, nothing but flames in my rear view. Burn everything, but I spared you. You reach Chernobyl, melting on down. You had the power, I've got it now. I brought the rain, this is my rain.
You know, day one in staging, my dad and Brandy are there. My dad's being my dad, saying number one to the camera. That's usually what he does, that's his thing. And it was cool that they got to be there for that.
I'm just getting started. Running through a target. I'm on a new level. I'm on a new level. You people don't even know. Don't even know. I'm just getting started. Here we are in this predicament. I've been my time, now I'm sick of that. Pardon me for my ignorance. I'm not gonna water myself down just 'cause you can't have it. I'm just getting started. Rolling through a target. I'm on a new level. I'm on a new level. You people don't even know. Don't even know. I'm just getting I'm just getting started. Rolling through a target. I'm on a new level. I'm on a new level. You people don't even know. No, no, no. I'm just getting started. Yeah. Rolling through a target. I'm on a new level. Yeah. I'm on a new level. You people don't even know. Don't even know. I'm just getting started. I'm just getting started. Rolling through a target. I'm on a new level. I'm on a new level. You people don't even know. Don't even know. I'm just getting. I'm just getting started. Rolling through a target. I'm on a new level. I'm on a new level. You people don't even know. Don't even know. I'm just getting. I'm just getting started. Rolling through a target. Yeah. I'm on a new level. I'm on a new level. You people don't even know. No, no, no. I'm just getting started. Yeah. Rolling through a target. I'm on a new level. Yeah.
finished right there. It was fun. I had a blast. Second place is the first loser, but that was the funnest time I've ever had in a race car. I just can't thank my dad and my uncle, you know, Bruce and Randy. It's their car and they trust me in driving it, and that's awesome. Thanks to everyone. Thanks to all the family, my mom, Brandy, Sean, he does everything. Kevin McMullen and them. Just thank you to everyone that like gets us there. We get to drive race cars.